I know what it is. Just seen it before. Well, okay, so everybody, welcome. Welcome to the variety show as we celebrate our 12th year anniversary. You know, I had prepared a statement, right? Because I thought certain people were going to be here, but due to circumstances beyond their control, they couldn't be here. Are y'all hot? It's hot. Hey, yo, BK, can you turn on some AC? Okay. Okay, thank you, sir. So I'm just going to read my statement anyway, because I actually appreciate this. So I want to thank you for coming out. I know you guys could have gone anywhere tonight and you chose to come here. And I sincerely am grateful for that. I hope to make it worth your while. So on behalf of our sponsors, Mr. Henry Pierce and Jerome Bates of Federal City, we would like to thank Mark Lassiter and my man Brian Person and the staff at DC Recovery for allowing us to use this facility to celebrate the 12th anniversary of our life. So now the variety show has a new purpose, and we call it the READA program. READA is an acronym for Recovering in the Arts, and our mission is to assist recovering people in learning to face their fears and creatively express their thoughts and emotions in a constructive way as we are coping with addictions. See, fear of public speaking was a barrier to my spiritual development, and I had to learn to tear down that barrier in order to free myself. That's why I sing this song.